Okay, so my name's Graeme Jarry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste ads to make up to $100 to $500 a day online in 2020. So you can copy and paste ads to make up to $500 a day anywhere in the world. It's free, and even if you're new and with little experience, today I'm going to show you 3 websites where you can do this, where you can copy and paste ads for free. Now you'll want to wait till the end because I've got an announcement to make about some free training. So let's move on, let's get into it. Now what I'm going to show you today is how we don't want to be selling physical product where you've got to ship product, where you've got to have customer support. What I'm going to show you in this strategy, what makes it so powerful, is we're going to use digital products. They never run out of stock, and we're going to do it as an affiliate. So we're going to sell somebody else's product and receive a commission for that sale. Now we're going to do this by posting links. And that's what affiliate marketing is. We're going to be posting links of other people's product. So the website that I recommend that has such a range of products is called ClickBank. They've been around for 20 years, paid out billions of dollars in affiliate commissions. So you'll need to go over here and sign up for an account. It's free to sign up. Put in some details. There are a couple of countries, Nigeria, and a couple of other countries like that you're not able to sell to be an affiliate for. You can see all that in the links. Have a look before you go through the trouble. If you're in one of those countries, there are a couple of other websites. I think Digistore is one which sometimes has the same product and allows those people from those restricted countries on ClickBank to be able to go and promote that. So first thing you need to do is go here, sign up, and get your account and your all the details and your affiliate link. It will give you that when we go to the product. Okay, so we've got our account set up. You can see I'm not logged in at the moment. And we're going to go over here to Marketplace. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to choose Marketplace from up at the top. All right, so here we are. Now, today for this exercise, this product that I'm going to tell you to search for, let's say John Cristani. And this is just one product. You can go through and have a look. This is an online educational product, so there are many others. I'm using this one as an example today. It doesn't mean I endorse it or I don't. It's a top selling product, and it pays you $556 commission, and it has a recurring payment as well. Now what you want to do, now the reason I chose John's product for this demonstration, you'll see here that there's an affiliate page or a JV page. So you'll want to click on that. And the reason, I've been to this page, I know what it's got. A lot of people don't give you enough resources to be able to promote their products. And I know John here has a lot, so that's just a page. We'll quieten that down before he deafens us. And as I said, on a JV page, affiliate page, a lot of them don't give you enough resources. In this page, John has all the resources. I'll just shut that video so you can see all the resources you require to be able to promote that. It shows who some of the top marketers out there that promote his product, and that's just some of them. Some of the results, but really up the top here where we look at emails, because what we get here is, this is where you get the affiliate link that you're going to promote, with free traffic, and I'm going to go into that in a moment, how you actually do that. I'm going to go through step by step how you actually promote, how you use those links, and how you set up your free ads to promote his offer so that you get paid a commission. Now, just back on this page here, what I didn't show is this also has, as well as paying you $556.40 per sale, it has an average rebill total of $480 per month. So it has a recurring component to it as well. So get a great commission up front and also get a recurring payment in the back end. It's what a great product has available for you. Now, whether you choose to promote John's or any of the other products in there, in this category, that's up to you. I'm using this as an example of how to copy and paste ads to make $100 to $500 a day online and for you. So let's move on. All right, so we've decided that's the program, whichever program it is that we're going to promote. How are we going to promote those free ads? With what we call classified ads. And we're going to use 3 websites that I have come across where you can actually use free classified ads to promote your products. So let's move on to the first one. Now they will let us post ads for free. So what we'll need to do is we're going to go in here and say publish an ad for free, and we'll need to sign up and get an account, and I'll let you do that. I'm going to do that and then come back to you. It will then send you, once you sign up, it will send you an email that you'll need to click on the link to activate your account. So I'll do that and then I'll be right back. Okay, so having validated that, if you don't validate it in your email, it won't allow you to log in. When you log in, there are a couple of categories that they don't allow. I don't think they allow you to post ads for pharmaceutical, drug use or anything like that. So just have a look. It'll certainly stop you if you try and post something it doesn't allow. Okay, so now we go up here to the big red button where it says publish your ad for free. All right, so it says here to get it highlighted at the top for 90 days. It's $5. No need to take the add to premium account. So now we want to have here, we're going to look at select a category. So look, we're going to select a category, as I said. So we're just here and have a look through. And if you're not promoting this offer, just go through and make sure that whatever you advertise in, the category fits. So for this, we're going to look at affiliate marketing. Now, to create a title, I've just gone back to John's affiliate page, and there's a heading there that says free traffic method swipes. So we're going to look for a title, and let's just copy and paste. Earn a 6-figure income online. So we copy that. We're just going to paste that in here. There's a choice of titles there. You choose whichever one you're comfortable with. So now we're at the description, and as you can see here, I'm just going to copy my special guest's 3-step. Copy that, and we'll just alter that in a moment. We're going to copy that, go back to this description page, we'll copy that, paste that in there. So now we go back to ClickBank. We've got our link. So we go back to ClickBank and we're going to get our affiliate link. So now if you're logged in, all you do is you click on promote. You would have been given an account nickname. I'm not logged in, but I can put my account nickname in. And you're going to want to go to the default page, generate hop links. But before we do that, because we're going to be promoting this in different places, we might put a tracking ID, and all the tracking ID is so that you can track where your sales come from. So let's say free ads forum, or however you want to. You may have some sort of more systemized thing for tracking. So then we just generate hop links. We go down here and you can see we then copy this. Now that link looks pretty ugly. We're not going to go and paste that ugly link directly into our listing. What we're going to do is go to a website called Bitly. I'm logged in already, so if you just go to bitly.com, you'll come to this page. You click on create, paste that in there, and then name it at the top so you know what it is, and have a look over here, and then it will give you some of the nice short links, and they don't look spammy. Then we go back to our listing, and I've only clicked on one of these just to show you what to do. You would go through fully and create it. This website is free as well. So now back to our list. Okay, so now with that link, we can put it in twice. We can do that there and go up to the link. Click on the link, and we can paste that link in there. Target would be open in a new window. Click that there, and we could also get rid of that and paste the actual link. Sometimes people click on a link and they don't click on the other thing. Now notice up the top here, I also included in the title, earn a six-figure side income online free training. Alright, so you can see here now, continuing to fill this out, shipping price will be $0 because it's free training. US dollars, click and drop for images. We're going to choose whichever country. I would choose probably United States. So we're not going to worry about these other things here because they all cost money. So please visit our website. Again, post the link to the website in there. One other important thing here, I would use some keywords. It might be make money online, work from home, and you separate those by a comma, and affiliate marketing. Now you don't have to add some images. I'm not going to. As it says here, you can click or drop to upload images. So you could use a couple of images. You go back to the JV, the affiliate page, and get a couple of those images. Look, I just thought I'd come back here. If you're using a different product and they don't have images, what you can do is click here. You could use an image. What I would do is go to Google and do a search for, say, make money from home. This is just so you can get an image. Go to, where are we? Images, find an image. There we go. I'm just doing this as an example. You could copy the link, go back here to your listing, click on that, and there you could just paste that in your thing like that, except I copied a lot of stuff it didn't require, so it won't work. So as you can see, it's added an image. We could do a couple of those. I just thought I'd do that in case whichever product you looked at promoting didn't have any images. All we did was went to Google, did a search for a keyword, clicked on the image, got the link for the image, and then when it went to upload, when you clicked here, instead of uploading from your computer, you put that image link in, and then it uploaded the image for you. So you could do as many images as you like. One thing that would also work really well is having a YouTube video. So because this is John's product, you could go across here to YouTube, get, say, his most popular video. So we've logged on his channel. What we could do is just a bit slow with everything running. Go over here to and sort by most popular. As that loads, come down here, click on that, 2.6 million views. I'll just close that audio. Then you just go down here and go share, and just copy that. I'll copy that. Go back over to, I'll just close that. Go back over here, post that in there, and boom, you're done. Now you go down here, there's several other options. It'll be on a default to pay. Click down, no thanks, I want extra exposure for my ad right now, I just want to submit it for free. Kaboom! So all we need to do now is hit publish, and the site and the listing goes live. Now I said I was going to show you 3 of these sites. So let's look at the next one. Okay, so here we are at the next one. It looks almost the same, doesn't it? This one is called Free Global Classified Ads. The other one was called the Free Ad Forum. This one is called freeglobaladsads.com. And you can go through, I'd be surprised if they're not owned by the same people, to be honest, laid out the same, very similar. But anyway, so go over there, register for that, and go through and do exactly the same thing. And the third one that we can use for free is Craigslist. Now what you would do is, no matter where you are, you can set it up. I'm in Australia, and so I've just set this up for New York, and then you would go through and create a listing. Now what's so good about Craigslist? This is the biggest site. This is the biggest site for free classified listings. So you have a look here. You can select which city, which country you want over here. You go here, create a listing, and I think you may need to verify. Not 100% sure. You'll see on the way through, and just follow through the process as you go. So look, you can make a lot of money posting in these Western countries, and choose, go through, list these, and you can do multiple listings, but vary them up. Don't keep them the same word for word, or it will pick up, Craigslist will pick up that it's duplicate content. So that's, I said I'd show you how to copy and paste ads to make $100 to $500 a day online. So that's 3 sites, 3 websites that you can actually do that with, and copy and paste ads to make $100 to $500 a day. If you're still here, give yourself a big pat on the back, because you've created your first classified ad, and most people don't. So give yourself a big pat on the back, and don't underestimate this. And shortly, I'm going, as I told you, if you waited at the end, I had something for you. Okay, so that's how you can make $500 a day with affiliate marketing using classified ads, whether you've got any experience or no matter how old you are, wherever you are. Now, if you got value from that, in the description below, I've got a 15-day challenge. I want to give you access to a 15-day challenge. So if you click on the link, it'll take you to that, and it's some step-by-step training on how to get started and how you can create your first dollar online. Now, if you've got value from this video and you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button below. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.